Hi friend, today we'll see that how to view Linux system information. To know only the system name, you can use the command called uname command without any switch that will print system information. So let's go to the practical and see that how the things are happening in Windows the CLI Linux CLI. So if you give uname, so if you give uname, so it should be like that. So you can see that a lot of different versions of the uname. So you can use uname -n, so it will give you the full host name. And if you wanted to see the Linux kernel version, so you can use uname -v. So this will give you the Linux kernel versions. And moreover, if you wanted to see the Linux kernel release versions, so you can use uname -r. And if you wanted to see that more about this uname, so you can use this, the hardware architect. So it should be the 86 32-bit. And moreover, you can use one more command called -a. -a is the below one, so it will print all the running commands, all the information about it. So this is the way you can check this Linux related the system name and related command. Yeah.